Hello, dreamers. Welcome back to another episode of Destination Dreaming. Today, we're taking you on a journey to one of Thailand's most iconic landmarks, James Bond Island in Phuket. Let's dive into this tropical paradise. Officially known as Khao Phing Kan, James Bond Island shot to international fame after featuring in the 1974 James Bond movie, The Man with the Golden Gun. With its towering limestone karsts and emerald waters, it's no wonder this place has captured the imagination of travelers worldwide. The main attraction here is this stunning limestone tower, Koh Tapu, which rises majestically out of the water. It's truly a sight to behold. Getting to James Bond Island is an adventure in itself. Most visitors take a boat tour from Phuket or Phang Nga Bay. These tours often include stops at other breathtaking spots like the beautiful Phang Nga Bay and the hidden lagoons of Hong Island. Don't forget to check out the local vendors. You can find unique souvenirs, delicious Thai snacks, and fresh coconuts to keep you refreshed on your adventure. Whether you're a movie buff, a nature lover, or just someone looking for a beautiful escape, James Bond Island has something for everyone. It's a perfect blend of cinematic history and natural beauty. As the sun sets over the island, it casts a magical glow over the landscape, making it a perfect end to a day in paradise. That's all for today's episode, dreamers. If you enjoyed exploring James Bond Island with us, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to Destination Dreaming for more amazing adventures. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep exploring. Outro music plays.